Well, amidst all of our adventures with the family and the actual chaos of the makeover, it's nice to sit down in our production RV and catch up with somebody that really has a great insight into things that maybe our veteran is going through. David, you are a psychiatrist with Cerebral, and you have been able to talk to our family earlier today and really get an insight of what they're going through. Welcome to the show, and tell us about exactly what you guys do at Cerebral.
Yeah, so at Cerebral, we provide high-quality online mental health care for Americans in all 50 states. They could get therapy, medication management, as well as couples therapy on their phone, on their computer, in the privacy of their own homes. And this is really important to provide this level of quality of care to these patients as well, because we need to tailor the right amount of care to the specific patient. So for example, Matt, given his experience with trauma and PTSD, we need to be able to come up with a treatment plan that really focuses on managing that trauma.
And you know what, there is no shame in therapy, right? There's a stigma attached that maybe you're a failure or maybe there's something wrong with you, but that's absolutely not the case, correct?
That's absolutely right. Stigma is one of the major challenges for people. It's a barrier for them to seek the care that they need and deserve. Matt is a good example of this, where initially he told me, he said he had to let his pride down in order to seek mental health care, and I had to correct him and say that you have found new strength in order to find the care that you need and deserve.
And how did you find your conversation with him and Latoria? They're obviously open to discussing their issues. You have to be willing to do that, right?
He's an inspiration, and it took a long time for him to realize that, and now he realizes the years that were lost in pain and the things that he could have done earlier. And so now he's sending the message that as soon as you're not feeling well, you should be getting the care that you need.
And that's not only beneficial for him and his wife, but the kids especially. It's breaking that cycle, correct?
Yeah, one of the things that we do at Cerebral is we provide comprehensive outpatient mental health care. So it's not just talk therapy, but it's also medications if necessary, couples therapy if necessary. So it's very important to be able to solve the entire family, not just the patient.
And Cerebral's not just coming in one and done. You have a nice gift for him as well.
We presented Matt with a lifetime level of care for any of our clinical services, whether it be talk therapy, medication management, or couples therapy.
David, thank you so much for being here. And as you know, it's more than just paint and drywall here on Military Makeover. It's about looking after the mental wellness of our veterans. I'm going to check in with Jen in the house in just a little bit. David, maybe you can join me. We'll walk around.
Absolutely.
Meet some people.